Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install Google Chrome on MX Linux 23.6. First open the default browser that comes with MX Linux, that is Firefox. Go to Google or any search engine and search for download Google Chrome. Then click on the fast and secure web browser. Then click on download Chrome. Then for MX Linux, Ubuntu, Debian or Linux Mint operating systems, we have to download this .debian package. Select it and click on accept. See, download started and its size is 113 megabytes. Wait until download completes. See, download is completed. Now open terminal. See, here we have the XFCE terminal. Even if you are unable to find, just type terminal in the search box. Okay, open the terminal emulator. Go to downloads directory, ls. See, here we have the Google Chrome Debian package. You have to install it. Sudo dpkg-i. Then give Google, give the tab to autofill entire Debian package name. Hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user. Hit enter. See, we have successfully installed. Now go to applications, search for Google Chrome. See, if you have Google Chrome, open it. See, if you want to make Google Chrome as the default browser, you have to select this checkbox. And if you want to automatically send usage statistics and cross request to Google, you have to select this checkbox. It is up to you. I am not going to select. Click on OK. Don't sign in. Got it. See, you got the Google Chrome web browser. ls, this file is not recorded anymore because we have successfully installed, so delete it. rm, give Google, give the tab to autofill enter Debian package name, hit enter. ls, we have cleared the space. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download and install Google Chrome latest stable current version on MX Linux 23.6. okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.